Hi guys, it's Miss Carolyn here, and today we are going to do a little experiment, or we're going to start doing our science experiment, day one. And first, I just want to talk to you about plants. I have some succulents I've been growing for some plants. This is a rose that I clipped off of my rose tree outside. And if you have a chance, you guys should smell them. They smell so good. All right, and if you notice, plants look different. Look how different this plant looks from this. This one has like some big leaves and a long stem. This is the long stem. And these are the leaves. And these are the petals. And what color is it? Yeah, it's pink. Oh, and they're so fragrant. They smell so good. And then you have succulents. You can see they're growing. What are they growing in? I don't know if you can see it, but it's dirt. Yes, they're growing in dirt. And they kind of have wiggly stems. And they have fat leaves. See how fat that leaf is? There's actually water in here. Succulents. Their leaves soak up water. So cool. And succulents are really easy to grow. So today I have some seeds. I have some marigolds. I have some green beans. And I have some radish seeds. And you got one of these, and everything inside is what you will need for the experiment we're going to do. And so to start off today, I want you to grab the bag that says number 1 on it. And I want you to look at these seeds. I want you to make a hypothesis, a guess, about who you think or which parents these seeds belong to. What are these seeds going to grow up to be? A marigold, a green bean, or a radish? What do you think? So I have them right here. You have them at home. I want you to just look at them. Take a look at them, fill them, and take a guess. What do you think they're going to turn out to be? And then when you go to your Word documents, which I emailed you for your first, so for week 1, you're going to circle, or you're going to draw the seed, and then you're going to circle which one you think it is. Okay? And then I want you to do the same thing for seed number 2. What do those look like? What do you think those are going to grow up to be? And the same thing for seed number 3. Okay. Once you have made your hypothesis, your guess about what you think those seeds are going to grow up to be, I then want you to plant your seeds. And you're going to plant one in Mystery Seed 1 container, 2 in Mystery Seed 2 container, and 3 in Mystery Seed 3 container. Great. And I don't know if you guys want to watch me or not, but I am going to plant mine right now. I gotta get my, ooh, what's that smell like? What does it smell like? Does it smell good? Doesn't smell bad. I get my little shovel. What's inside? What is it? And you guys should definitely do this outside, not in the kitchen. All right. I'm gonna put my dirt. It's the dirt. In my container. And put my dirt in my next container. Dirt in my dirt container. If you make a mess, that's okay. That's the fun part of it. And that can go in the garbage. Okay, so I'm going to put these were seed 1. I'm going to put these. Which one should I put these in? Should I put it in container 2? No, I got to put it in container 1. We got to match them. And you can put all the seeds in there if you like, or you can maybe share them with your siblings and let them plant as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put them in there. Bury them. Just be gentle with them. Be gentle with your seeds, and then we'll set that one off because we're done. Then we have bag number, what number is that? 2, it's the number 2. I'm gonna put 2 mystery seeds in here. 1, 2. Just gonna put them in there nice and gently. Make sure you get them buried in there. Okay, and that's our mystery seed 2. You can save these and maybe plant some more in your garden. Zip it back up. And now we have, what number? 3, that's right. 1, 2, 3. And I am going to put, these are tiny seeds. These are tiny ones. And I'm going to put these in, of course, mystery 3. We're going to bury them in there. I think I'm going to do more just to be safe so they'll really grow. one should survive. All right, guys, so we got mystery seed 1, mystery seed 2, mystery seed 3. And don't forget, plants need water and sun to grow. So we need to put these by a window or maybe outside, and we need to water them a little bit every day. They don't need a lot of water, just a little bit every day. And I have instructions in your Word document, so make sure you look at those, okay? And I'm sure your parents are wonderful gardeners, so just trust them and they'll help you through this, okay? And I can't wait to see your plants grow. And next week we're going to look to see if there's any stems. Remember, this is the stem of a plant. We are going to look at the stems, and we're going to make another hypothesis about what we think that plant might be based on its stem. And then as they get bigger, they're going to grow leaves, and we're going to make hypotheses on what type of plant we think it is based on its leaves. All right, guys. So have fun with it. I'll see you all soon. Bye.